Just incredible. The legendary Kevin De Bruyne plays his final match for Man City and says goodbye.
Well, it's going to be a whole range of emotions here tonight, that is for sure, as the irreplaceable prepares to say farewell to the Etihad, the final home game for King Ken.
De Bruyne's ball in, and Aguero. De Bruyne. Manchester United trying to get numbers back. Haaland! There's Mahrez. Kevin De Bruyne with his first offer, and what an offer it is!